So I will quickly take you through Pinterest and what it is, a little bit of an introduction. I am going to put the link to this website on the Padlet that you can all access after the workshop, which will give you a step-by-step guide to how to set up your own Pinterest, how to get an account, and then how to get the best out of it, what it all means. So things like the following and how you search for things and the boards and the pins, that kind of thing. But I'm just going to give you a very quick visual example of what Pinterest is. It's basically an online pin board for ideas and photographs and projects and everything that you can think of. Pinterest will probably have it. It's a network. They've called it a social media network. I probably agree with that. It's basically image sharing, but linked to a certain theme. And it's really good if, like me, in particularly get a lot out of Pinterest because I like to have visual ideas or examples of something before I make a start on a project. And you can browse images that other people have posted and get hundreds of different ideas, which I'll quickly show you as well. Really, you can Google search for it, but if you wanted something more specific, and what Pinterest is really good at, which I'm going to show you now. So I'm going to switch over to Pinterest. So this is my Pinterest. And obviously you follow different words or particular areas. So there's been things I've searched for recently, looking for digital technologies, that kind of thing. So I'm actually going to go in and search for digital technologies and teaching. What that'll bring up is a number of resources based around digital technologies and teaching. So obviously creating a Lego maze probably is not going to be applicable to what I would like. So the three dots at the bottom, I can just hide that away. So I don't want to see that. That's not relevant to me, and I can get rid of it. As that develops, so as you continue to dismiss things, you will get much more specific search results for the things that you are interested in. So I'm just going to quickly show you what you do if you find something that is of interest. So for example, let's have a look at 35 of the best educational apps. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on that pin. So that's going to give me an overview of what it is. Do I want to know what the best educational apps for teachers are? Yes, I do. So once I click on that, what that'll do is it will take me to a link. And that will give me an overview of some of the best teaching apps. So it gives me ideas, it gives me starting points, different ways that I can use things. And luckily there are some of the ones I've been talking to you about today on there. So if we go back to Pinterest, because you've clicked on that, what will also happen is you'll get more like this. So you'll see things that are of relevance to you and what you've searched for. So 18 educational Android apps for core student apps. So really useful stuff that will link and give you ideas, and it'll help with research and that kind of thing. And it just gives you a starting point to maybe follow up a little bit more in future. So that is basically Pinterest. You can pin things as well. So if you wanted to pin, then obviously if you want to create a project, I've created the dinosaur workshop for my family learning days, and I had been pinning things within there. You can download images if you want to use them. So if you find something that you think is useful, you can pop it in your PowerPoint or pop it in, on whatever you use to present to your class.